Business Central makes analyzing and working with your financial data simple with integration to Microsoft Excel. You can easily export data from a list page to Excel and then analyze it using the extensive data analysis tools Excel provides. You can also edit your data in Excel and then publish it back to Business Central. Let's see how you can quickly analyze Business Central data in Excel. Let's say you want to create a report from your customer ledger entries that shows quarterly sales by customer. On list pages, you have the option to either open or edit in Excel. We'll open the data in Excel for the web, but you can also use the Excel app for Windows. Once the data is open in Excel, we can then use the application's powerful reporting and charting functionality to work with the data. We can view the quarterly sales by customer we wanted to see by creating a simple pivot table. Choose to insert a pivot table from the Insert tab on the ribbon. We then have a simple drag and drop experience for creating the charts and graphs we need. To view sales, we can create a filter for the table to view only the posted invoices from the last quarter. We can then do some quick data formatting and make any other visual changes we want, and we're done. This gives us a table with all the information we wanted to see. We can also easily add a chart to visualize this information. In a few clicks, we can add a pivot chart to our report. Analyzing the data in Excel enables powerful reporting abilities, all of which can be refreshed through the data connection to ensure that the reports and charts you create are always up to date. Business Central also enables you to easily update records in Excel. Let's start on the customer's list page. We'll assume we want to update the document sending profile for all our customers. This could take a while if you had to update the field one by one on each customer card. With Edit in Excel, we can make the changes we need and then publish the changes back to Business Central. When Excel opens, the Excel add-in pane displays. Here we can refresh, filter, and publish our data. The data is then imported from Business Central. Let's update the location code for all our customers. We just need to make the changes and then click on the Publish button. The data is now updated in Business Central. Once the changes have been published successfully, we can then go back to the customer card and see that the field has been updated correctly for all customers. The integration with Microsoft Excel provides quick and powerful data analytics, as well as simple options for updating your data. Thank you for watching. We hope you'll enjoy working with your Business Central data in Excel.